how to remove view insights on Instagram posts. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove view insights option on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, in order to do that, click on your Instagram account and you'll be redirected to the homepage of Instagram. So what you need to do is click on your profile icon at the bottom right, and here you'll be able to see all of your posts. So if you are any creator account or a business account, you'll be able to see view insights on all of your posts. So when you click on any post, you'll be able to see view insights over here. If you wish to remove this, what you're going to do is go back and click on these three horizontal lines. And here, when you scroll down, you'll need to find the option that says for professionals. And here you'll be able to see 5 or 4 options depending on your upgrade. And here you need to click on business tools and controls, or you can even click on creator tools and control if you're not able to find the option of business tools and control. It's the same thing. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you need to scroll down till you find the option that says switch account type. So what you need to do is just click on switch account type, and here you need to click on switch to personal account, and then you need to verify that whether you really want to switch to a personal account. So just click on switch to personal account. When you go back, you'll be able to see that your account has been removed from the business. And when you click on posts, here you can see that there is no more view insights option on your posts. So that was how you can remove view insights option on your Instagram posts. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.